This is a torture test built by Adam Reed, and we're going to see if it can be printed on the $150 Tron XY P802M. From my experience, it's a great printer. We're going to see if we can get it done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let's get into it. Alright, so there it is. No, I'm just joking. This was actually the first one. Then I realized that the time-lapse camera that I had fallen off and it messed up the bed. But it had started there and about 34% done. I just had to cancel it because it was just this mess of stuff. This is it finished. The quality on this is extremely impressive. Now this is shrunken down about 70% of the original size when I downloaded it. Again, I'll have the file linked in the description, so if you guys want to try it for yourself. But here, let me get you guys a close-up. See how close I can get of that. I mean, it's kind of hard for me to tell at least, but here you can kind of see it's a little bumpy. Like there's a few areas where it isn't as nice. It's a bunch of stringing in there. I'm sure you could get rid of that. But overall, the quality for a $150 printer is amazing. Now, keep in mind that I did put close to, I think it was close to like 16 hours in total, and just, not straight, but just trying to get the printer to work. I mean, if you don't want to invest that much time, but that's up to you. You can buy a more expensive printer, but for $150, and if you have a lot of time to spare, DIY printer, the Tron XY P802M or the ANET A8, it's a great printer. I don't know how well you can see, but at least this base here, it's just so smooth. It's like glass. It's awesome. I really like it. It completed the torture test, and yeah, this is scaled down a lot too, so I'm sure it'd work a lot better if it was a lot bigger, but I did this, I believe it was like 40 millimeters a second, and 40 millimeters a second, and 15% infill. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to see, here's the time lapse of this one breaking right here. You can see that, yeah, that camera just messed it all up. But at least it worked with this, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope this is a great test for you guys to see. Let me know if there's any other torture tests you guys want me to do, or any other interesting things you want me to print. For now, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye.